Will XRP lead the altcoins into a bull run as Bitcoin continues its upward momentum? Also, is drama starting to unfold with Ripple? Let's talk about that in this video. How's it going? It's John Doe from Currency.com. Today we're going to have a look at XRP, the latest drama from Ripple, and then we'll open up a trade and see if we can hit our price targets for May. And by the way, don't forget, hit the like, subscribe buttons, support the channel, and we will have more videos coming out for you. XRP and Ripple have been becoming the topic of discussion lately. The price bounced off that yearly low and a lot of volume is coming in, but also a lot of drama. At the beginning of the year, when BitMEX first listed XRP, there were some concerns when the price wicked down and liquidated a big amount of traders. And the good thing is now, Currency.com listed XRP and the prices are pretty accurate there. So later in this video, we're gonna open up the platform and jump in a trade right on our demo account. But first, let's talk about some of these headlines that we've been reading about Ripple. So it's been known now for a while that Ripple owns a significant amount of XRP tokens, and they have been selling them for a while. It's been reported that the Ripple team continues to sell its XRP stash, and lots of people are not happy with that because they feel that this devalues the price, and it's also not good for the XRP token in the long term, even with the current market conditions. But the CEO of Ripple reported that that these were just rumors, they weren't true, and it was just FUD that was being spread. Now, the latest news suggests that they do continue to sell their XRP tokens. And even though they do continue to sell the XRP tokens, Ripple's sales have declined the past few quarters, and it's been the lowest right now in the past 3 years. There's also been evidence that one of the co-founders of Ripple, Jeb McCaleb, has sold over 1.8 XRP per day in the month of April, with a total of 54 million tokens, netting at about $11.5 million. Regular followers of XRP news, they know that McCaleb has a stash of about 74 billion XRP tokens, which comes down to about, at the current price, at $1.5 billion. He calmed down investors and told them that he's been transparent since day one, and he's not selling these tokens in a negative way. In reality, only time will tell what this is going to do for XRP. Another thing here is Ripple filed a lawsuit against YouTube, claiming that YouTube failed to stop scammers from preying on innocent people who had interest in the XRP cryptocurrency. Some of the scammers even hijacked accounts of significant people in the crypto community and even influencers that had big followings and got people to send them XRP tokens. Ripple is claiming that this is YouTube's fault. YouTube didn't block the people or try to prevent people from being scammed. So now Ripple has opened a lawsuit against YouTube for that reason. And this here is an ongoing issue between Ripple and YouTube. So we'll have more news on that to come and report it here on Currency.com. But for right now, let's have a look at some of the latest price movements for XRP. Okay, let's do this. So I already got my chart here. We're still right in that same trend line that we drew in the last video I did. I'm going to be looking to get into a long position right on this candle with my price target roughly around here. With my price target up there, what I can potentially see happening in this trade that I'm about to get into is attempt to break down to this moving average here, and then eventually break out and just kind of stay with this trend line until we reach that price target here, which would be a heavy resistance in the long term. So I would expect a rejection here to even back to these levels where I would enter the trade. I'm going to put my stop loss right around this moving average here. I have it on the alligator as 21, but that is similar to the 20-day moving average. So that $17 range that I mentioned earlier, that is where I'm going to be looking to put my stop loss right below that. So that would be right around here at about 17.60. So if I enter here at the current price and I hit my price target right around 27 cents, that'll be about a 25% gain, not including the leverage that I'm going to use. And if the trade does go against me, where my stop loss is, if I put it right below there, that'll be about a 20% loss. The stop loss is not tight, but I put it at a safe spot, which is right below that moving average. So if we were to go below that moving average, then that would mean the complete trend is invalidated, and we will probably test that bottom that we had around 13 cents. So the risk to reward in this trade is pretty evened out. In crypto, prices like to go all over the place, so I like to keep my stop losses wide. And this is a demo account. If it was a live account, the risk management would be a little bit better, but this is a setup that I like to see, and I'm confident in this trade going into the Bitcoin halving and even to the end of May. So we'll open up this position and see where we're at next time we follow up on this. So for the position size on this trade, we're going to do about 89,000 XRP tokens, which comes to about 1.03 Bitcoin, close to 1 Bitcoin. We're going to do 2x leverage, and we're just going to market buy at the current price and not set a limit. My stop loss, we're going to put that right below that moving average here. We're going to have to watch as that crosses when we do get in our position, because we will trail that stop loss. Let's say I do get in this position. What I will do with that stop loss, I won't keep it there. I'll trail it right on that moving average, and I'll possibly use the alligator's teeth as the next stop loss. And as it keeps going up and I trail it, I'll use the quicker moving average above that as the stop loss. So let's finish this up. I'm going to hit buy and then get into this trade. Done. So we'll see how our trade plays out. Keep in mind, I am using a demo account, but I want to thank you for tuning in with me, John Doe from Currency.com. Also, don't forget, subscribe to our channel. And if you enjoyed, hit that like button. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.